Okay children, let's go to the next exercise. Just read it carefully. Circle the correct vowel spelling. Okay, we want to circle the correct vowel spelling and write the word on the line. We want to write the word on the line. First we want to look at the picture and we want to circle the correct vowel and we want to write the word on the line. We want to write the word on this line. Do you able to see this? Do you able to see the line? Very good. What is this? This is a B. This is a B. Okay, what vowel sound you are getting? OA or EA or EE. B. You are getting a long E sound. Then yes, then it will be a EE. Let's write the spelling for B. B. E E B B E E B. Okay, next look at this picture. This is wheel. Wheel. You are getting the long pronunciation of yes E, not OA or EA. We are having a long pronunciation. Wheel. E. Yes, E double E, isn't it? Okay, let's write W H V L. Wheel. Okay, let's see here. What is this in picture? He is sleeping, isn't it? He is sleeping on the sofa. Yes, he is relaxing on the sofa. Okay, just see the vowel slee. What is the spelling you are getting? What is the vowel sound you are getting longer? Yes, you are getting the E sound longer. Shall I put a circle here? Yes. Sleep. Okay, I'm going to write the spelling for the sleep. Yes. L E E P. Sleep. Okay, what is this? Find out what is this. No, it's not a dolphin. It's not a dolphin. It's a snail. You are hearing a long E sound. Okay, you want to find out the word and you have to write it for this. Okay, let's move to this picture. This is a coat. Yes, what sound you are getting? Not E. Coat. O sound you are getting, isn't it? O. Okay, the spelling for coat is C-O-A-T, coat. Isn't it? Okay, let's go to this one. This is soap. What is the spelling you are getting? The same spelling of the coat. Oh, yes. Oh, you are getting soap. Yes. S-O-A-P, soap. Okay, let's move to this picture. This is jeep. What spelling you are getting? Jeep. Yes, what spelling you are getting? Jeep. E sound, longer E sound. Okay, I'm going to write the spelling for jeep. J E P, jeep, isn't it? Okay, we haven't left over this. Okay, tell me what is this? This is a ship, but they are asking about this one. Okay, what is this? This is a sea. Very good. This is a sea. What is the spelling for the sea? No, it's not a sea. Not sea means you are seeing something means a sea. It's a sea. It's not a sea. It's a sea. We're not getting any O sound. We're not getting any E sound. Not a C. It's a C. Yes, which is a E A. Yes, E A C. Okay. B. This is a B. B E E B. We're getting a longer B. This is a coat. We are getting a O sound, isn't it? Here also we are getting a double E sound. Wheel. See here, this is a one different one. C. E, A was having the sound of E and A. That is not a double E. If you put double E, then it will become a different meaning. C means you are seeing something. You are seeing our TV or like that. Okay. This is also soap. O-P, soap. O, you are getting a O sound. Okay, let's look at this picture. This is a Jeep. You are getting a longer E sound. So we have written the double E. Okay, I've told you already, if you are having a long sound, then the same will come along with another word. Okay, the same word will come twice. If you got the long sound, then the same word will come at twice. Come for 2 times. For example, this is a G-E. This is a long pronunciation, isn't it? Jeep. If you have a long pronunciation, the same word come together. Okay, children? Okay, let's move to the next exercise. Okay, let's look at these pictures and look at this exercise. It's also very easy exercise. Let's look at the exercise. Complete the word by using the options given. We want to complete the word by using the options here, isn't it? Okay, we have seen the picture and we know the picture name also, isn't it, children? Okay, so it's a very easy exercise. So let's go to the exercise. First picture. See the first picture. This is, what is this? This is, some of them telling correct and some of them telling like a car. No, it's not a car. The letter J was started. Then what is this? Yes, this is Jeep. You are getting a long sound of E, isn't it? So E will be come here. Jeep. Okay. Okay, what is this? This is a board. Very good. You all know board? Yes, your ma'am will teach you in blackboard, isn't it? Very nice. Board. You are hearing any O sound? No. Okay, tell me loudly this word board. Okay, you are hearing a O sound, isn't it? O, yeah. Board. Okay, O, yeah. Board. Okay, tell me the picture. What she's having a mop, but who is she? She's having a mop and she's having a bucket and she's wearing a glass too. She's looking like who? Can you able to find out it? She is maid. The maid will help us to do the household things, isn't it? They will use to mop the floor and wash the vessels, clean the floor, isn't it, children? Okay, she's a maid. A is coming. A, yes, maid. Okay, let's go to this section. She's queen. It's not a queen, it's a queen. Queen. Double E sound is coming, isn't it? We have to write a double E. Okay, this is we already seen, isn't it? C. Not a C. It's not a long pronunciation. C. It's not a C. It's a C. Yes, we have a C. Okay, next look at this picture, children. What is this? This is a nail. Yes, nail. Okay, children. Jeep, Jeep, because having a long pronunciation of E. G. This is a board. We having a O sound. Board. B-O-A-R-D. Board. Okay, she's a maid. You're getting a R sound. Maid. M-A-I-D. Maid. She's a queen. You're getting a E longer. So we have to write the double E here. And this is a C. Not a C. It's a C. S-E-A-C. This is a nail. N-A-I-L. Nail. We are finished. Okay, let's go to the next exercise.